Hey guys, it's Faith. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video I've got a quick unboxing for you guys. I know I've not been around for a while and it's literally the middle of January right now, but Happy New Year. Shamelessly coming back to post videos after half the month has already gone, but I've got an unboxing from Cult Beauty for you guys. You know, we're not a makeup girly around here, we're not a hair care girly around here, but what we are is definitely a skincare girly. So guys, without further ado, let's get into the unboxing. So I'm gonna start off with one of the first items that I've already reviewed on this channel actually, and it's just the Paula's Choice Liquid Exfoliant, the 2% BHA one. Basically I decided to pick up the whole box because this was in here and I've been loving this product. I got it in the TikTok edit box. My skin's been loving it. It's literally got salicylic acid and it's really gentle. I don't use it every single day to exfoliate my skin just because I can get micro tears very easily and I didn't want to overdo it, but I've been using it roughly 2 to 3 times a week, and then I've been cycling other like products, other serums, and it's literally been working so great. It literally gets all the dirt off, all the muck, and then when I finish, my skin is literally so smooth and so shiny and I love it. When this is finished, I'll definitely go ahead and purchase the full size version because this stuff is great. It's definitely been working for me. So yeah, 30 mils in here. It's definitely just a travel size bottle. Next, it's also something that I've purchased before and reviewed in one of these boxes, and it's basically the Supergoop Unseen Sunscreen. You get 15 mils in here and it's basically the 30 like SPF 30 version, and it's just one of these little sunscreens. You can use it as a primer before makeup. It's pretty basic. I think I might have used it once since I bought it in the other box, but I'm not really going to be keeping this one if it's exactly the same. Might be a bit different, but I'll probably give this away to someone. This is also a travel size version. Next, we've got some eye patches, like eye masks. And I'm just gonna have a quick look to tell you guys what it is. So it says it's from the brand Decree, and it's basically just some rejuvenating eye masks. I've told you guys before that I've got bags under my eyes, and to be fair, I do not put too much concealer on, but I'm pretty sure if I concealed it more then you won't be able to see the bags under my eyes, and if I got more sleep. But I'm always in need of eye masks just because they definitely calm like the puffiness down. But on the Cult Beauty website it says that these are packed with ingredients to offer the skin a little extra TLC, and it's good for plumping and hydrating the eye area. So hopefully it will give it a nice plumped look that makes it full, like the baggy area, but it won't make it look puffy. Obviously you would like your skin under your eyes to also be hydrated because you hydrate the rest of your body. It says it's got conditioning, brightening, hydrating, soothing, calming, moisturizing and antioxidant properties. So looking forward to using these, and hopefully they'll help with my puffy eyes. So next is this Seated Queen mask, and it looks different to the one on the website. This is the one on the website, and it basically is a bit different, but literally I just googled it to make sure that it was the same thing. And this is basically a mask that has also got like lots of different uses. You can use it to remove your makeup, you can use it as part of a double cleanse, or you can just use it as like a rejuvenating night cream. I'm not sure how I'll use this yet because I have got like quite a few products in my skincare routine and I like to switch things up. I might use it as a like overnight mask one time, and then I might use it as like a makeup remover another time. I've also not bought anything from this brand before. It just says Cold Cream Cleanser Mask, which seems like it does quite a lot of different things. It also says it's a 3-in-1 cleanser. It soothes and plumps. It's definitely a travel size. It is 30 mils in here. Next is this Sunday Riley. I'm definitely sure that this is a travel size because it's so tiny. It's like a fun size version, but it's like the Lunar Night Oil, and I think this is basically retinol and it's like a sleeping oil. So I think you just put it on your face like before you go to sleep. I'll open it up so you guys can get an idea of how small it is. It's literally tiny, but yeah, there's nothing much to it. I've been wanting to try some products from Sunday Riley, so this might be a good start, and then I can see if it's a brand that I like, and then I want to just invest and spend more money on buying like the full size products. So there's that. Not much to say about it. I've not used that brand before. Next is this Caudally Beauty Elixir. and I've literally been loving the Caudally vitamin C mask that I've been using from the other TikTok edit box. It's been good. I have been seeing this all over TikTok, so maybe the TikTok girlies might be putting us onto something here. But essentially it's just like a little spritz, and you can like just use it to like revitalize your face. It smells, it's definitely got a smell, and it smells just like the vitamin C mask. I'm not going to test it out because the last time I tried to spray something on camera, I broke the spray, so we're not going to test it out right now. But let me see if there's any other info for you guys to know about it. It says it's a versatile, refreshing facial mist enriched with botanical extracts. And it's got a lot of ingredients. I feel like if you've got sensitive skin, maybe don't use this. So maybe I'm a bit cautious on whether or not I will use it, but it says it's got extracts of grape, rosemary, bitter orange, rose, myrrh, peppermint. I might do a patch test before I use it, just because it's got like quite a lot of fragrant ingredients in it, and my skin does not do too well with too many fragrances at once. Yeah, so I'll test it out, and then maybe I'll do like an update for you guys at some point. But yeah, this is also a travel size. It's 30 mils in here. Anyways, I think on the website the full size version is 100 mils, so this is definitely a travel size. Next on the list is basically this milky face wash from the brand Holy Frog. I've not used anything from this brand before, but it basically says you just massage it onto damp skin in slow circular motions. Yeah, there's literally not much to say. Let's have a look. Again, this looks different. The one that you get in the box looks different to the one on the website, or at least on the app. It says it is enriched with non-fragrant botanicals that soothe sensitivity, along with a blend of 14 identical amino acids. So you use this as a face wash, and then apparently it's meant to like restore and heal your skin. I'm gonna try it out actually, because it says it's meant to be soothing. So it says soothe and nourish, and I like products that are gentle and just things that soothe my skin, because my skin can flare up very easily. So this might be a great little try. It's 50 mils in here. It does have a scent that is very faint. Actually, to be fair, I feel like I'm smelling something else, like one of the other products. I think I'm smelling the Caudally product still, so don't quote me on that. I don't think it has a scent. Next on the list is something that I bought and also tried out from the other box, the TikTok trending edit box, and it's the Glow Recipe, the niacinamide dew drops from Glow Recipe. I have used this a few times and I do like it, but at the same time, when I was using it, my skin was like, I had a massive breakout, so I kind of had to rein it in, because I was like, I don't know if this is gonna be like making the breakout worse. So I kind of stopped using it, but this is so good under makeup. Like, it gives your skin like a pop. If you want to go out without wearing makeup, I definitely suggest probably putting this on if you just want like a brighter, more glass skin look. I'd say put this on. It does have a scent. I did say before, I think I said it in the last video, but you know what, I feel like the effect that it gives your skin outweighs the scent, and the scent is not too strong. It's a very specific scent, and I'm not even gonna try. Actually, maybe it smells like watermelon, to be fair, but the benefits definitely outweigh the cons, so I'm probably gonna still use it. I think I'm gonna give this one away to my friend, because I've already got one that is definitely in full working order. I've got loads in the bottle, and this is 40 mils. It's pretty big, guys. Like, it's pretty big, and it will last you for a while. I don't use it every day, because obviously if I'm wearing makeup, I'll probably just use a primer, but you can also use this as a primer, or you can just use this like as the last step of your skincare, and then put sunscreen on and then just leave the house. And then last but not least is this Calming Tide gel cream from Then I Met You, and I've also been wanting to try out this brand, just like the Sunday Riley brand. I've been seeing it all over Cult Beauty and just never got round to trying it out. But this is meant to be like a multi-purpose hydrating moisturizer. So yeah, let me go find the info for you guys. So it says it's got bergamot and hibiscus, and it's meant to be like the consistency of a gel. And it says this quick absorbing formula provides a gentle sweep of lightweight hydration for supple and firm skin all year round. I think it's just meant to like make your skin super hydrated, and I think you're meant to use this as the last, like not the last step, but the moisturizing step of your skincare routine to lock in all the other serums or things that you've used before. So I'm really looking forward to using this. I love hydrating products because I just feel like you can never go wrong with hydrating, especially that it's winter. It's still pretty cold. If you wear makeup, your skin's obviously going to lose a lot of moisture, and you just want to keep that moisture locked in as much as possible. So I never run away from hydrating products, and I just try and get as much of them in my routine as possible. It's nice to have like a range. So yeah guys, that is it for the Cult Beauty Ultimate Skincare Edit. And yeah, I'm super excited to try out the new products that I bought, and then I've obviously got a re-up of some of the products that I've been loving from before. So that is it for today's video. It's good to see you guys. Hopefully I will be a little bit more consistent, like, you know, now that it's the new year. But I've been having like loads of deadlines, so I'll just see how I can manage everything. But it's nice to see you guys. I hope you've all had a great start to the year. So until next time, bye guys, and definitely don't forget to like, comment and subscribe if you've enjoyed this video. Bye.